welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Thanh. Today I wanted to show you what I got in my nail kit because I started school to become a nail technician. So I just wanted to show you because a lot of these things I'm probably not going to use or like going to sub things, and I already have things decided, picked out and everything for it. So I just wanted to show you what you may get with your school. And I know every school is different because I watch a few other videos and everybody has like different things. There's no order that I'm going to go in, so I'm just going to pick everything as I go. It's on like a little table here, but I guess I can show you what I do use from the kit. So I have 2 clean towels. It's labeled clean towels, and I use this every day. I just line the desk with a towel, and then I put a dental bib on top. I'll do another video of the things that I actually do carry to school. Everything in here came with a duffel bag, but I have no idea where I put the duffel bag. It's just like a small standard duffel bag that we just bring to school every day, and it was just working with me, and I kept like adding stuff into it, and it was getting heavy. Oops. It was getting heavy, so it's just, I had to like buy a case. So, towels, we use this, and then Half Moon. These are like natural curved nail tips. I don't know if you can see. Hopefully there's not too much of a glare. These are what I got, and they just look like they're from Amazon or like a cheap spot. Like all these items do not look like super expensive, which is fine, I guess. I don't know. But I did use these. These did come in handy, even though I don't use them in real life. Next, we have the Manicure equipment box. I got the box, and so what it comes with is a large file. This is a 80/80 grit, both sides, a foot file, which a pipette. I don't know if you can see this, just so that you can get a monomer and then put it in your dapping dish, so you don't have to like pour it and like accidentally spill or whatever liquid you need to use. You know? We have a manicure brush just to brush off dust. Some nippers, cuticle nippers. These are, I think these are decent. I can't remember. I actually tried them on myself. So there's that. We have a buffer. This is actually my buffer that I subbed because I used the buffer in here and it was getting worn out, and so I just threw it out. So we got one small buffer, exact same size, it's just purple, and I think it's a different grit. We got a thicker grit. We have like a scraper tool. Probably can't see, it's too far away. Some nail clippers, which I really like because these are straight edge and not curved like a lot of nail clippers are. We have a cuticle pusher and a cuticle scraper, and an orange stick. We got also nail glue, just one this, and then the rest stuff is kind of like mine that I just didn't take out for the video. So this one is like actually a good quality item. This is a Panda brush, Panda Kolinsky brush. This is in the size 8, and it is usually rounded, but I attempted to pinch it myself and it kind of worked, but I do have a failed pinch on there. But it doesn't seem like the failed pinch affected my my brush, so I'm good. I'm good there. And then it also came with this tub with a lid. It says it's labeled new and clean. They labeled it, but I don't really use this tub either. And it's also cracked and broken right here. So we had a 3-in-1 set of cotton swabs, no, cotton pads, cotton swabs, and cotton balls. I kind of use this. I mean, I just bring it just in case I do need it. We have some 100 small files for pedicures. They came in a whole pack like this. Interesting. They were only $1.50 for this whole pack. We got masking tape. When I first got this, I had no idea what to do with the masking tape. I still do not use it. I just bring it, but people apparently, or they do tape the fingers off and then glue it onto the masking tape, and that's how they remove it. I just glued it straight to here and I just rip it off whenever I need it. But next, mannequin hand, I did some acrylic and gel on here, but I did not use this mannequin hand because I hate it. So I just left the last tips that I used. Yeah, I just like back bend them and then they come off. And then I have a top coat, base coat, and cuticle oil, and a red polish because state board, well, we used to have the practical test and you'd have to like polish with a red to like see all the imperfections and stuff like that. So I think so. And then we have a gel polish kit set, not really a set, but we have base coat and top coat by some random brand I don't know, and a aqua colored gel polish. This is the only name brand that I know, which is CND. So there's that. And then let's see, we have two small dampen dish plastic, but these are so light that they just tip over if you try to use your brush, because if you like take liquid out of your brush, it kind of just knocks over, so I don't use these. We also have a odorless acrylic set, which I don't use, but I think they provide it because practicals you needed, the practical exam you needed or the state board exam, I don't know what it's called, you needed the odorless set, so I think that's why they provided this. Okay, next, all the liquids. So we have polish remover, which I poured into a separate bottle for myself because I don't like this bottle. This lid, this top isn't working for me and it keeps spilling in my bag. And then they say what it was, polish remover, not acetone, but polish remover. Cuticle remover, which I don't really know. I don't know why they're called cuticle remover when they're just cuticle softeners. So there's that. And then acrylic liquid in like an amber glass bottle. Alcohol. I don't use this either because I don't know what the issue is, but I think these two just don't work for me. The acrylic liquid and the acrylic powder. My teacher also used this and it didn't really work for her either, or something was going on, or maybe it was just a combination of like the certain brand of monomer she was using along with the powder. But I don't know, I just bought a whole different set so that I know what it is and I could use for the future. Hand sanitizer, a lotion, a oatmeal scented lotion. Oop. Scented, okay. A manicure bowl. And last but not least is a nail drill. This super nice nail drill. I don't really know how to use it either. I don't know how to turn it on. I was charging it, and yeah, and I don't really care because I don't want to use this anyways. Oh, and then it came with some bits that I will use in my personal kit. It came with some sanding bits, but sanding bands, I just threw them away because they aren't the best quality. They're very weird textures, and so I put all these in my own holder. So I think that is it. Oh, I also got my textbooks. I have two textbooks. They're just like the My Lady nail textbook that I think a lot of nail courses use. I think probably the only nail textbook out there. I don't know. But those are the items that I got in my nail kit. I don't really carry these items with me. I have my own set and I have a train case, and that's probably going to be my next video that I film right after this, just so that I have it. And yeah, because I did film a haul about all the things that I bought, but I don't bring everything that I bought in that haul with me, so we'll do that. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are in nail school, what did you get in your kit? And oh yeah, I forgot, I did get a nail light. That's important because, you know, we got gel polish, but we're not going to get a nail light. It does have a backing, but a bottom piece. I just didn't bring it It's a corded one. Or I don't bring it because it just takes up a lot of space. And I don't need it. And I think that's it for all my stuff. But thank you for watching. Like I said, please let me know what you got in your kit, and if you think your kit was sufficient enough for you, because I definitely do not think it's sufficient for me. So I added a bunch of things on. Same with like other people in my class, they added a bunch of things on into their kit, or some of them don't care and they just work with what they got and don't want to spend any more money. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.